Inventor 2021 has some really nice tools for making the creation of drawing geometry even simpler. So in this example, we're going to look at creating a dimension between face 1 and face 2 over here. It's really simple to name faces. Simply right click on any piece of geometry inside of Inventor and choose Assign Name. The next available name will be given to you, but you can also put in a custom name if you choose. So we can see face 2, face 1 over there. If we shoot into our drawing environment, those are these two faces over here. 2021 has a new tool that allows me to capture the current state of my view. So if I choose that and I click on face 1 over there, you can see face 2, the faces that I've named, that information is copied to my clipboard. So if we edit a blank rule over here, I can paste that information directly into the rule, and under our snippets you'll now see a new drawing section, and I can choose linear dimension. So if we insert the linear dimension code, get rid of the duplicate bits of code we don't need, you'll see that all I need to do now is where it says name geometry, I just need to go and grab face 1 and face 2, save and run, and the dimension is placed. So what happens? Well, if I move this dimension and I run the rule, it gets repositioned for me. If I delete that dimension, that'll come back and be placed on the drawing. I can also apply a bunch of other dimensions as well, and that center mark. We're even able to place angled dimensions as well. Inventor 2021 makes dimensioning drawings with iLogic even easier.